Hello YouTubers. Welcome back to our channel. Today I found admin bypass file upload vulnerability. Go to Google and search INRL and title Finder 2.0. Select website from search result. Check it out, upload system is working or not. I am choosing this website for demo purpose. I upload my device page. Open file location link in new tab. Here is my device page on this web server, upload without any admin access. This tutorial only for education purpose. You can try at your own risk. I am delete my files after demo. We do not harm to any web server with any content. If you like this video, please click on like button, also comment, and subscribe my channel for upcoming videos.